Getting started here, unrolling my crescent roll sheet right here on the bottom of my baking dish. Now right away, I'm grabbing some sausages here. They are pre-cooked and I just grab them from the fridge section there in the grocery store, and I'm just gonna start to roll them right here in to the crescent roll dough, just like so. On top of that, some delicious cheddar cheese. Look at how easy that is. This is a crowd pleaser for sure, and enough to feed a crowd. I'll tell you that much. Super easy to do. Okay, on top of that, I have some fully cooked bacon. Now, if you wanted to get the other stuff and cook it up, go right ahead. That's fine, but we are doing easy and quick. So I'm just gonna layer the bacon right on top. This one just came with 10 pieces, so I'm just gonna see if I can use it all. Ooh, a little bacon, a little sausage, some cheddar cheese. This is looking good. Let's bring those down and those in. Okay, that's great. I have one more roll of crescent dough that I'm gonna put right on top. So we're sandwiching in that sausage, the cheese, and the bacon. Oof, it's gonna cook together right underneath there. I'm just gonna tuck in those sides so we are nice and tight in there. That's exactly what I want. I wanna seal it up. Oh, this is gonna be so tasty. Okay, to make it even better, I have some melted butter here, and I'm gonna brush it right over the top just to help make that crust golden brown and just a little bit more savory. I love that little added touch of a brush of butter. The extra step is definitely worth it, but if you don't have it, it's okay too, no stress. All right, throwing on top of there some everything bagel seasoning. Now, if you're like me, you love this stuff, and I think you guys love this stuff, and this will just take it up a notch, adding a little bit more flavor to this delicious breakfast sandwich we got going on here that will feed a crowd for sure, and your family, and hey, maybe the neighbors too, right? So I'm gonna pop it in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for between 18 and 20 minutes, and stick around, it's gonna be delicious. Holy moly, wow. Let's just take a minute to look at how beautiful that is. That turned out so good. I love the golden brown. I also love the everything bagel seasoning right on top. I wanna make sure that we get a little bit of sausage, and then we want some egg and cheese, so we're gonna cut ourselves. Look at that. Perfect. Everything's just sliding right through. Okay, let's grab that right out of here. Oh, it smells delicious. Oh, check that out. You can see the sausage patty, the bacon, and the cheese. It looks so delicious. And you know what I love best is you can just pick it up just like this and hold it just like the perfect breakfast sandwich. And take a look at the bottom. It's golden brown and super tasty. I am gonna let David take the first sandwich because I know he's starving. So come on over here, babe, and grab a nice bite. Okay, I have a breakfast sandwich with your name on it.
Ooh.
Yeah. How is it?
That's
Good, right? Little hearty, meaty breakfast for you. All right, so there you have it, you guys, a breakfast to feed a crowd. I hope you love this recipe, and of course, I wanna know if there's anything that you're gonna change, add, or take away. We'll see you guys later, and I hope you enjoy.